Today we're going to install this EVBase front spoiler on our Model 3. A few months ago, we installed this carbon fiber rear spoiler on our Model 3 from Hertz. Really like the way that it looks. And EVBase has recently sent us this front spoiler to kind of match it. So I'm going to open it up and let's see what's in the box. If you would like to purchase one of these spoilers for yourself, the link is down in the description, and if you use the promo code SPINNER, you'll receive a 20% discount off of your purchase. So this spoiler comes in 3 pieces. We're gonna kind of take them out. There we go. Here, this is the center piece, and I'm just gonna use this to show you a little bit of it. Oh no, this is not the center piece. This is just off to the side. This is gonna be the left side. Kind of wraps around the bumper here. It is not carbon fiber. This is I think ABS plastic. It does have the 3M adhesive, so it'll help stick, but it also needs to be attached with some screws. And it has to be put together because it's in 3 pieces. So we're gonna get all 3 pieces out, put it together, and it does have the carbon fiber appearance to kind of look like it belongs with the spoiler that's already on the back of the car. So what we have are these 3 pieces of the front spoiler with the mounting hardware. The hardware that comes in the kit are these pop rivets. Looks like we've got 2 sets of 4, and these are what's going to help attach the spoiler to the front bumper. Since the spoiler is in 3 pieces though, we've got these 4 screws, and the first thing we've got to do is put the 3 pieces of the spoiler together. So it appears that we line it up here like so and drive these screws in that little hole. All right, what I'm learning is that it's best to start the screw just poking out a little bit there, or at least that's working. I have the screw poking out a little bit there. I'm gonna do the other one over here, and then I'll grab the other chunk of the spoiler. There we go. So now we'll take this. Getting the last screw in. It's probably good if you have an extra person here with you, but that'll do it, and that should be all I need that screwdriver for. And this is what the front spoiler looks like. So now let's go do a test fit on the front of the car. Goes like that.
Wow, that looks pretty cool.
Yeah. Now what I've got to do is there are 8 pop rivets on the front bumper. I need to remove them. Then I can remove the adhesive and then put the new pop rivets in, and I'm done. So now I've got the new pop rivets here. I'm going to take the adhesive backing off on the spoiler and put it in place. Then I should just have to line up the pop rivets and secure it. We've got the adhesive backing off, and now I'm just going to get this in place. There we go. Attached we are. Now I took out 10 pop rivets. Maybe should have left the other 2 in, but they gave me 4 new ones, and so I'm just going to put the 4 new ones in, and they go through holes that are already in the spoiler. And there we have it. It is installed, and it kind of really makes the car look a lot meaner than it used to before it got here. One of the neat things, probably my favorite thing about it, since our car was an old rental, is that it covers up all the scuffs that we had on the bumper, including one on this bumper that I put there, and it is covered up completely now, because right underneath this I've got a scuff mark on that bumper cover, and that hides it, and it makes the car look better because of that. So that is this front spoiler from EVBase. If you're interested in one for your vehicle, a link is going to be down in the description. And if you use the promo code SPINNER, you'll receive an additional 20% off of your purchase from EVBase. Thanks for watching.